What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So if you didn't see the video that I posted yesterday on Cronos, CRO is definitely making a move today, and I did purchase more Cronos yesterday in order to stake it to be able to get the new card, the 4,000 level card, and basically get a little bit more on Shiba Inu as well. So we're going to take you through this and take you through what Cronos is doing right now and why I believe it's going to hit $2, at least $2 by the end of this year. And a lot of people, may not think this. They may say, oh, well, you know what? I think this is going to get to $1. Understand that the movement that we're seeing now, that we're seeing happen right now, is not even a massive like bullish momentum or a massive bullish move that we can see within this position, right? It's not like with this move that we've seen it move a couple of cents that it moved, up to $20 billion market cap. It moved up to an $11 billion market cap or almost $12 billion market cap. We know that this can go a lot higher. So we're going to talk about this and break this down. So make sure you guys hit that like button. Also hit the subscribe button for more videos just like this one. If you like Cronos videos, let me know in the comment section that you want more of these videos and we can make a lot more of these videos because I love Cronos and what they're doing. I love their platform. This is why I'm staking the most, and this is why I actually hold the most in Cronos than any other position that I have. I do have a lot in Shiba Inu, but I hold a lot in Cronos in order to stake a lot in Shiba Inu. But I can tell you that this is the highest amount dollar-wise that I have in any position. So, let's go ahead and get into this. Make sure you guys follow me on Twitter at Perry8K, and you'll get all these updates on different cryptocurrencies. But if we look at Cronos on CoinMarketCap, we're going to see it's at 46 cents, almost 47 cents, which people are excited to even see it break 45 cents. Getting back to 50 cents is definitely a huge feat. I feel like I'm seeing like sunlight right behind me or something, like right there, and it's coming right through. So let me fix this really quick. Sorry for that. You are seeing a little bit of sunlight that's coming right through. I'm sorry for that. I'll fix that in another time. But anyways, what we're seeing with Cronos is currently at 46 cents, almost 47 cents. It's up 7% today, 7%, which is absolutely insane. We do see that the circulating supply, if you want to look right above my head, the circulating supply is at 25.26 CRO, which I think should be adjusted because if we're seeing in the dead wallet, we're seeing a lot that's in the dead wallet and more is being sent to the dead wallet day after day, minute after minute, hour after hour, right? But what I wanted to focus on here is looking into the chart, looking into what this can be and where we should look for different resistance points, where we should look for different points for it to break. Now you can see the thing that we have seen is we've seen a bounce from down here at this 37 level, seeing that jump up to where it is now, actually breaking the 46 mark, almost to 47, really resisting at that level of 47. A lot of people 12 hours ago saying $1 soon. A lot of people were like, hey, this is only going to $1 or something like that. But there is a ton of room for growth well above where we are with this position. So again, we did see that larger increase today, but what's significant about it is that we broke this level of 45. Breaking that level seemed like it was going to be a difficult thing to do, but it wasn't difficult. It broke through it very, very easily and had no problems with that resistance point, and jumped up to a level of 47. So what's the next level of hard resistance that we're looking for? There's a 49 level that can get up to 50, right? And then there's a 55-cent level that is a hard resistance that we could see from this position if we want to see it jump. Because what we noticed on the way down is creating those lower highs and lower lows. However, you see the tides have turned a little bit. You're creating the higher high because now you created this high and you see this as a lower or a higher low. So then you're creating a higher high. And then you create a higher low, then you create a higher high, right? That's what we're looking for. We're looking for those consistent movements. We're looking for that channel that is created with the higher highs and higher lows rather than looking for lower lows and lower highs. And that's always what I'm looking for with these positions. You could see this large jump that it did have all the way up to 90, the large burn that it did have when it came to 70 plus billion coins. And again, seeing more coins that are burned every day. So the way that this was creating those lower highs and lower lows, it created that channel downward for a number of months before now seeing that lower or that higher low. And now essentially we can create a higher high there. So I'm really excited to see what this can be and where it will go. We could essentially say that this was the point to where it was at its lowest point, and it created a higher high here and then created a higher low. It's just more of a consolidation low rather than seeing just a low point and then a bounce. And then we could see that higher high that's created over this point. So right now, we're just looking for a break of this point right here, and we're also looking at a break of 55 cents, and then we'll start to see that really take off. So I really think this can actually make a move to $1 soon, and getting to $2 by the end of the year, if not way more than that. So if you don't know, I ended up staking $4,000 more of CRO yesterday on Crypto.com in order to get the card, in order to get the Jade Green card, and just to be able to gain more percentages back on other positions. So I'm going to be gaining 10% on my CRO. On this, when staking with this card, I'm going to be gaining 10% on this CRO on the Jade Green card with 3% rewards back. So I'm definitely gaining quite a bit from it, and a lot of other people can gain those rewards as well. So this is why I think it's going to be something big. Now, with the changes that are coming to the Crypto.com platform, it's incentivizing people to stake CRO. While you have so many other positions that you would only be able to get the max APY if you're staking less than 30,000. CRO, you can stake 40,000, you can stake 400,000 and still get the same rates that you were getting the last time. So it's going to be something that incentivizes people to stake CRO as much as they possibly can and hold CRO, and that's what's going to give it more value. So understanding what this is, if I go into my crypto potential spreadsheet and break down just really quick what CRO would be at some of these levels that we think it can get to by the end of the year. A $2 level is a $50 billion market cap. If we see a bull run, I think $2 is a lowish point to where we can see Crypto.com get to. $50 billion for CRO, for a coin, for something that has its own platform, own network, all of this other stuff is low compared to some of the other coins that are out there, right? Understanding that Ethereum is whatever value it's at right now. BNB is at whatever value it's at right now, well above that $50 billion mark at a low, right? You have Bitcoin that's below 1 trillion. It's around hundreds of billions, right? So CRO is definitely going to find a way to get to that top 5 level, whether it beats out Solana, AVAX, whatever other coin comes up. I feel like it's going to get to that top 5 level, and $2 is going to be kind of a low point in my opinion. I would probably see that it's going to resist and by the end of the year at $3 because I think it could be a huge coin. And again, this is all my opinion. From what I see in the potential of this coin and where it can go, I definitely think this can get to an easy level of $2 and then also resist off of either $2.50 or $3 by the end of the year. So people that are holding this can easily see a 4x return, if not 5 or 6x return within this position. And depending on how much is burned off, because from what we understand about how much is already in the dead wallet, there's like 76 billion that's in the dead wallet, which means that with a total max supply of 100 billion, right, you're looking at just under or over 23 or close to $24 billion or 24 billion coins, right? So that's insane, right? 24 billion coins is lower than where we are right now. 23 billion coins is obviously lower than we are right now. And to show that it's only 83% of the circulating supply, technically all of the circulating supply is out there at 23 billion coins, while 76 point something billion coins is in the dead wallet. So it shows so much room for growth and where we can go for this position. So let me know what you're thinking about CRO. I love this position. That's why I decided to invest into it. I'm currently holding about $9,000 to $10,000 worth with the increases that we have seen today. And I'm looking to hold a lot more as time goes on because I see a ton of value in this position in just creating passive income as well as growing in the price. So make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And also follow me on Twitter at Perry8K and you'll get some updates on cryptocurrency. But I'm going to get out of here and I'll catch you in the next